So this is the birch tree that's going to provide our syrup.
Absolutely, yep. So we tapped this up yesterday using this drill. We just drilled this little hole into here, inserted this tube, and overnight it's just created this amount of liquid, which is great.
Now is the right time of year to do this, yeah?
Yeah, and there's normally like quite a short window. It's normally in springtime when all the sap is rising to help the tree grow and help all the leaves come alive.
So that explains when the sun's shining, it's pumping more sap up, right?
Really high in antioxidants, high in minerals, and it's super delicious.
Well, I'm going to fuck that up by turning it into an ice cream. Let's do it. Luckily we did this earlier because this amount of liquid went into this pan about 2.5 hours ago. You can see there's an ever so slight caramel colour coming through. So you see how little you get all of that sap. The birch syrup is ticking away in there. It's probably about 5 minutes to go. So we're going to swirl that through this ice cream. So we're going to make a really quick, basic ice cream, just using 3 things. So we've got 600 mils, a big old pot of double cream going into the bowl. We're going to add in some condensed milk, which is, there's no vanilla, so this is just for some extra sweetness. I really want to taste that birch syrup. Once that's whipped together, I'm going to add in some dry ice. And if you just keep whisking, this makes instant ice cream. You can see it bubbling away now. You see that? Look at that. It's incredible. You can see it's frozen solid on the bottom of the bowl there. Let me just show you. Really rock hard in places. That dry ice is still doing its job. So what we're going to do to hold that where it is, because it's a warm day, I'm going to just drop that into the cool box while we finish off the salted caramel. It's pretty cold. Enjoy cock and balls. That's all you get out of one of those demijohns full, but it's worth it. Really, really exciting. I can't wait to taste this. And then we're going to follow that with a little bit of butter. It smells absolutely nuts. So good. You can really see how that's kind of caramelizing now. You can see the colour, the golden colour that we love from caramel is there. So it's time to add in this cream. So the last bit of cream there. Just going to slowly work that in. And this should turn into beautiful caramel. And it obviously wouldn't be salted caramel without the salt. So we're just going to put a little sprinkle of salt in there. I'm really having to scrape this off the bottom now. It's going a really lovely golden colour. So it's time to remove this from the heat. Oh yes, look at that. That's really coming together now. Look at that. Ice cream, baby. That is ready to have some swirls of caramel go through it. Catch it while it's hot. It's going to drizzle this beautiful caramel. I'm going to save about half of it back. I just want to slowly work that through so you really know it's there. The final bit of dry ice on the top should freeze that. Just allow it to do its thing. I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes in this cool box, revisit it, and hopefully I'm going to be able to use it with a scoop and make myself an ice cream. Not the most glamorous looking ice cream in the world. We've also got a little bit of this caramel that we've made. Again, there's no elegancy, but come on, we're out here in the woods, right? I've just been a bit more generous with my own than I have with yours, I'm not going to lie. So can I have one of those coconut tasting flowers, please? What did you say it was?
It's gorse.
Gorse, all right, okay, like as in wild gorse.
Yeah.
Wow.
Really common.
I had no idea you could eat the flowers off those. I see them everywhere.
Okay, I'll take that one.
Incredible. Salted caramel birch ice cream. Out here, it's spring. This is Leah. Give her a follow. She forages, shows us all these amazing things that we can turn into delicacies. I'm Shropshire Lad. If you like what you've seen today, like, subscribe, give us a comment. See you soon. I'm gonna have a go on this. Mate, that is good. Oh, it's messy.
Very messy.
But by God, the flavour in that salted caramel is unreal, right? Right, I'm gonna try the flowers. See you later.